ओ नन, माय गॉड। आई थिंक चलिए भाई खत्म कर देते टॉक, मैं निकल जाता हूँ। I think I'm sitting in Satya Yuga where nobody has any stress. I think only monks have stress these days. Financial markets are all stable, you know. Financial markets are all doing cool, pretty. The markets are never in a flux, no stress, no performance issues. That's cool. You know, I was once telling what the corporate world is about. One guy who owned a poultry farm, he came into the poultry farm and he said to all the hen, he said, मैं तुमको इतना दाना डालता हूं और इडियट तुम लोग 2-2 अंडा देते दिन का, शर्म नहीं आती? जेट एयरवेज, sorry, if you haven't read, don't worry, I'm more updated than you are. Sorry. शर्म नहीं आती? He said अगले हफ्ते से ना 10 अंडा डालना पड़ेगा. That's called performance pressure. You need the bucks, lay the eggs. Very simple. The industry defined in 1 word, 2 words, poultry farm. You need the bucks, right? Lay the eggs. And why do you need the bucks? You have to pay the mortgages. You have to pay the EMIs. And it doesn't matter what your standard of living is. If your standard of living goes up, the outgoing of your house also goes up. If your standard of living goes up, the EMIs for the cars that you purchased also goes up. It doesn't matter which standard of living you are at. Unless you are an aristocratic rich man born in a family, it doesn't matter. If you're working, you're still a worker. In what position doesn't matter to me. It doesn't matter to me because it's just a different standard of living, different EMIs and different mortgages. अरे भैया दाना चाहिए ना, अंडा डालना पड़ेगा, है ना? क्या करें? That's called the have to do, no? भरना है ना भैया. I have to keep the family going. How many of you are concerned about your children's future? Raise your hands. Brilliant. Thank you. How many of you want your children to go and study at MIT, Harvard, Yale? Thank you. And how many of you know that it costs a hell lot of money? And how many of you know if you want that to happen, you have to keep toiling? Well, here it goes. बोले स्वामी जी इतना सच्चाई नहीं बोलना चाहिए कॉन्फ्रेंसेस में. Goodness, can you believe this? You have to keep the thing going. One boy was asking his father, Papa, how much did your marriage cost you? Father said, I'm still paying, beta. What to do, you know? The bills have to be paid, the EMIs, the mortgages, everything has to keep going. That's called the have to. So the next week, the poultry farm owner came in and he saw every hen was giving 10 eggs. क्या करेगा बेचारा? भरना है ना EMI, डालना पड़ेगा. Except for one who was only laying 1 egg. So the poultry farm owner turned to this fellow and said, idiot, can you see your peers under performance pressure? They've raised up their productivity and performance. They're laying 10 eggs a day. Idiot, you only lay 1 egg a day? How? What the hell? The guy said, अरे खुदा का शुक्र करो एक डाल रहा हूं वरना मुर्गा हूं मैं. Believe me, परफॉर्मेंस प्रेशर में ना मुर्गे को भी अंडा डालना पड़ता है जी. Shall I tell you one simple thing? All jokes apart, there's a large component of your life which is a have to. It's not that you necessarily like your work. I hate saying it. I hate saying this. But it's a bare truth of life. 95%, I travel globally and I speak at huge corporations. 95% of the people, professionals in the world today, are not satisfied and happy with what they do, but they continue to do it because it pays the bills. That's called the have to component of your life, and I don't think you have a choice. What's the choice? क्या choice है भैया? करना है, अपना standard of living है, सब कुछ responsibilities देखना है, तो करना पड़ेगा.